Ambassadors Television. Is this your first time of logging into this channel? Wow! This is the English Ambassadors Television. And don't forget to always like our channel, subscribe to our channel so that you'll be among the first set of people that will come across our video whenever we upload them. In our previous class, we had fun in learning new words. In our last class, we talked about the 5 short vowels. We said we have 18 good vowels sound in English language, and out of the 18 of them, we have 5 of them that are short. And we say they are, the first one we said is eh, the second one, eh, the third one is saying, you say e or a. That's the only sound in English language that you can sound in 2 ways. While the fourth one, is o, and the fifth one is a. And these are the 5 short vowels we have in English language. But in our class for today, we'll actually be looking at the letters and letter sound, because a lot of questions are coming in as to why we have 18 vowels. So we decided to go back to our letter names and our letter sound. So we're going to learn how to pronounce each of our letter names. I hope you know we have over 26 letters in English language. So we'll be learning how to say them now. Are you ready? Now let's go. We start with the first one, which is the first letter in English language is A, not A. So you say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Or you could say Z. This song will say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. I can say them, why don't you? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. I can say them, why don't you? So, those are the 26 letter sounds you have in English language. It is now time for the 26 letter sound. We're going to sound letter A to Z with their action tricks. So, are you ready to make use of your hands and your body? Now, let's go. Letter A sound, A. Letter A sound, A. Letter B sound, B. Letter B sound, B. Letter C sound, K, K, K. Letter C sound, K. Letter D sound, D, D, D. And letter E sound, E. Letter E sound, E. And letter F sound, F. Letter F sound, F. Letter G sound, G. Letter G sound, G. And letter H sound, letter H sound, letter I sound, E. Letter I sound, E. And letter J sound, J. Letter J sound, J. Letter K sound, K. Letter K sound, K. And letter L sound, L. Letter L sound, L. Letter M sound, Letter M sound, Letter N sound, Letter N sound, Letter O sound, O. Letter O sound, O. Letter O sound, O. And letter P sound, P. Letter P sound, P. Letter P sound, P. And letter R sound, R. Letter R sound, R. Letter S sound, S. Letter S sound, S. Letter T sound, T. Letter T sound, T. And letter U sound, U. Letter U sound oo, and letter V sound v. Letter V sound v. This W sound wo, wo, wo. W sound wo, wo, wo. Letter X sound x. Letter X sound x. And letter Y sound yi. Letter Y sound yi. And letter Z sound z or z. These are the letter sound. Don't forget, it is the English Ambassadors Television. Do not forget to always like our channel, subscribe to them. And guess what? In our next class, we'll be having a guest speaker for us. Are you looking forward to that class? Yes, we'll be having a guest speaker to take our Southern English. Don't forget to make a day with us. See you next week. Have fun as we learn.